Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video I'll show you all Keyfob functions. Let's start with simple locking and unlocking. Thanks to this Keyfob you can also remotely start the car, open and close the trunk, and remotely park and remove parking spot. Remote opening and parking works only if you've got Blue Link subscription bot. Last function is remote opening of the windows. Press and hold unlock button to open the windows and lock button to close the windows. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.